Welcome to TheStreet.com TV. I'm Aaron Task here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Martha Wyrsch. She is chairman of Spectra Energy Partners. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you.
So just so people get an understanding of the structure of the company, Spectra Energy Partners was spun off from Spectra Energy Corp., which was spun off from Duke Energy earlier this year. And you're a master limited partnership. So tell me a little bit about the company itself, how it's structured.
That's correct, Eric. It's an exciting year for us because we did our spinoff from Duke, and then we said we need to form this master limited partnership, which is a business that owns parts of the assets inside Duke, inside Spectra Energy, and those are the assets that are now part of Spectra Energy Partners.
And these are pipeline assets, so you're more of a traditional MLP as opposed to some of the Canadian real energy trusts, which are assets, and they're worried about reserves that can be depleted. You don't have that problem, right?
That's correct. Pipeline assets and storage assets are all part of this portfolio. These are assets with long-term contracts, 10 to 20-year contracts underlying them. No commodity volatility in this stock.
Okay, so you're not exposed at all to natural gas price volatility?
Only to the extent that natural gas is the commodity that runs through our pipelines, but no, it's not part of the exposure of this company.
Okay. Well, what is your thoughts, though, on natural gas prices? Because prices are high, even though storage levels are high right now. Do you see that trend continuing?
You know, we have seen high prices. We do think that there's a paradigm shift going on natural gas prices. And in terms of the amount of storage, gas that's in storage, it is high, but it's very much meeting the needs of the market. And we are comfortable that we have the capacity to take care of the gas that needs a home.
So this is a demand situation as opposed to there being problems with supply getting to market?
Very much a demand situation. The markets are hungry. They're growing. We see electric-fired natural gas-fired electric generation. That's an important component of our growth as well.
Okay, and this morning we had a story from the National Petroleum Council. It was in the Wall Street Journal about the need for alternative fuels. Yes. Fred Fowler, who's the CEO of Spectra Energy Corp., was at a conference at RBC last month talking about how LNG could be the bridge between today's fuels and the alternative fuels of the future. Where does your company stand in terms of meeting those needs?
You know, LNG is going to be an important part of the whole supply picture for us, and LNG will be coming into our pipelines and our storage facilities. We will be there to be the takeaway capacity to get it to those markets.
Do you need to spend additional capital to handle LNG coming into ports?
We are expanding our systems to handle LNG, both on the storage side and the pipeline side, and that's an exciting part of the growth in our business. So yes, we are.
Okay, and finally, do you see yourself as a consolidator in the midstream business going forward? It seems like there's a lot of pipeline companies out there that might be potential takeover targets.
We think they're really good opportunities. We will be looking for those opportunities.
Okay. Can you talk any specifics?
No, I cannot.
Okay, I didn't think so. Thanks very much, Martha.
Thank you.
My guest has been Martha Wyrsch. She is chairman of Spectra Energy Partners. I'm Aaron Task. Stay tuned for more of TheStreet.com TV.